I'm Jagir Mankodi.
And I'm Nurali Mankodi of Superfoodio Limited.
This is our seller session. It wasn't until 5 years ago where we walked away from our corporate jobs that we began looking at building a business of our own. My wife and I traveled around South America and were really inspired by how people live off the earth in a natural and sustainable manner.
South America was one place that neither of us had traveled to, and we felt like because we were going for 4 or 5 months, we really wanted to take that break and really explore the continent. So our first stop was Argentina, which is known as steak country, and both of us sort of been on a plant-based diet all our lives. But I think when we got out there, we found that here we sort of had our 9-to-5 jobs. We were kind of going in and out of the city, not really thinking about food or where it came from. But out there in South America, we really got to press pause and learn about where food comes from, where it's grown, how it's grown, what the effort that goes into doing that. And yeah, it really opened our eyes, and we wanted to kind of share all our learnings with everyone back home. So I think that's where we started writing some notes, which became, I think, version 1 of our business plan for Superfoodio. When we came back, we started experimenting. We wanted to bring all of our learnings and look at a product range or introduce people to products with really simple and natural ingredients.
Yeah, and everything that we live and breathe and do at Superfoodio goes back to the ethos and our learnings from South America. It was all about getting back to the basics. That's what we took away from this incredible life-changing trip, and we've infused that into the brand and the products that we create.
And our peanut butter buttons, that's our latest product launch. So peanut butter buttons are basically taking peanut butter from the jar into a snackable button. It's actually a world first, yes. Inspired by our daughter's love for peanut butter. We used to carry a jar around of peanut butter when we used to take her for walks, literally take the jar, the spoon, the wipes, and it was just a really messy affair. And we just thought, you know what, if you're a peanut butter lover, there has to be a better way to take peanut butter with you on the go.
And it took over 20 months of product development that started at our home kitchen to get to where we are, having a product that was ready for the market. And we put it out there on Amazon and started getting incredible response from customers who really enjoyed a snacking innovation.
So products that take a new spin on the basics and sustainability are something we've always wanted to champion, and we began to realize that we could build a business that sold products on Amazon very easily to people all around the world.
4 or 5 years ago, online shopping was prevalent, but still felt like quite a leap, and there was so much to learn, lots of skills to pick up and processes that have now been learnt that would have made things so much easier. That's why we're passionate about helping people kickstart their businesses on Amazon. Throughout this series of videos, we'll show you how to have the perfect launch, all the services and products to use that'll create success in your first 90 days on Amazon.
For us, we've gone from strength to strength and learnt a lot along the way. Learn how you can too.